In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox random crashing and freezing issues on laptop. So the first thing to do is just simply select a game or just play any random games on Roblox. Now here you just have to go indicate for the settings. So under settings, you have to change its graphics. From automatic, you can change this to manual if you want. Okay. And then also, so for performance stats, you just have to turn this one on to see the performance of your game. That's the first method. The second method we have here is Task Manager. Okay, so when you close Roblox after crashing, the game client keeps running in the background. To verify this, launch Task Manager and look under Background Processes. Okay, so it can only be entirely stopped by terminating the task from the Task Manager or by patiently waiting for it to terminate on its own after about a minute. Okay, so when there are too many background processes running and not enough system resources, Roblox may not function properly. You could therefore stop such unneeded background programs before playing games. Third method is for you to update your driver. You have to look for any tools that can help you update your driver. For example, this one. I'm currently using driver booster. So if I'm going to tap scan here, I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then this tool will show the drivers that needs update. So I have to locate the driver that needs update, or I can just simply click update all if I want. And that's the third method. Okay, the next we have here is you need to update your window. To do that, you just have to go to the search bar here, and then you just have to type Windows Update. Okay, check Updates, tap this one. And then here, you can see Windows Update, check for updates. And after that, any features here that needs update drivers, applications, or any tools, they will appear here. And all you have to do is to click Update. As easy as that. Next method is you have to go to your control panel, go to network and internet, go to network sharing. Then after network and sharing center, go to change adapter settings. Now go to your Wi-Fi and then go to properties. Okay, go to internet protocol, go to properties again, and then you just have to simply change everything here. Okay, prefer DNS server. You have to change this to 8888, and then below you just have to change this to 88. Once done, click OK, and that's it. Now the next method we have here is to go to the search bar here below and then type device manager, click open, and then here all you have to do is to simply go to your driver, network adapters here, and then go to this Realtek network adapter, and then you just have to simply click update driver. Okay, and then after that, the next method we have here is next go to search bar again, type run, and then type percent symbol, update a percent symbol, and then click OK. Now go to app data, go to local app. Okay, now go to Roblox and then go to versions. Now click the current version or the version that you are using. Example, this one. And then go to Roblox Player Beta. Right click. Then go to Properties. Okay, this one. And then go to Compatibility and make sure that you run this program automatically that is compatible to your computer. Okay, and then also you just have to tap this disable full screen here, click apply and then OK. And the very last method is to simply go to features, applications, and then uninstall your Roblox player account. You can search it here, you can scroll down to look for Roblox and uninstall it. And I do really hope that after doing this, it will fix Roblox random crashing and freezing issues. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.